Hey, girls and boys, it is Mr. McAndrew, and guess what? It is Friday. All right, so let's do this. Um, so today we are going to continue our work with subtraction. You guys have become subtraction masters, so let's let's continue. Let's play our game. Eliminate it. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. First card, second card, third card, fourth card. All right, take a look, see what you think. One of these cards does not belong. We must get rid of it. Which one is it? All right, so pause the video if you need more time. Otherwise, get ready to vote. Okay, so put up one finger if we should get rid of card number one, two fingers if we should get rid of card number two, three fingers if we should get rid of card number three, and four fingers if we should get rid of card number four. I see some ones. Let's see what we think. Okay? All right. So let's look at number one. I see five up top and I see three on the bottom. We know from before that five and three makes eight. Five, six, seven, eight. Five and three. So far we have an eight. Okay? All right. Number two, we have five reds and two whites. So that's five, six, seven. So we have an 8 and a 7. One of them's going down. One of them, right? Okay, let's find out. Here we also have a 5 and two more makes 7 again. Uh-oh, looks like 8's in trouble. Let's check. Here we have a 5 and two more, which also makes 6, 7. Okay, so number one, you are off the island. You have been eliminated. All right, good job, boys and girls. So again, we can see 5 and 2 make 7 with the fingers, right? Here, 5 and 2, 5 and 2 more, 5, 6, 7. And here we have 5 reds and then 6, 7. Okay, all right, awesome, awesome. Let's look at yesterday's work. So it should say Thursday practice. All right, and you should have written four cookies, eaten one, which gives you 3 left. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so check your work. And then on this page, here you should have had 5 cookies. You eat 2, and you were left with 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have 8 cookies. You eat 3, and you're left with 5. I know it's 5 because I know there's 5 in the top row, right? Okay. And then down here we have 6 cookies. Take away 4, and we're left with 2 cookies. Okay, so that's from yesterday's work. Let's get to today's work. So, in your math packet, it should say Friday word problem. Looks like this. Let me make it bigger. All right, so let's check out our word problem. Read along with me, please. It says Freddy the Frog took 5 jumps forward. Okay, so Freddy the Frog took 5 jumps forward. So he went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right now, he's right here on the 5. Okay, it's right there. Then it says he took 3 jumps back. That means going back the other direction. So he went 1, 2, 3, and he landed here on number 2. Where did he land? Right here. Okay, so if he was on number 5, right, if he took 5 jumps forward, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 3 jumps back, 1, 2, 3, he did, oops, that should be a minus, cross that out, it should be subtract. He did 5, going backwards 3 is the same as 2. Okay, so boys and girls, we've been doing subtraction with all sorts of models all week. The fallen leaves, the 10 frames with the cubes, balloons, cookies, and today we're going to use our number path. Okay, we've done this with addition. We're going to use it now for subtraction. Why not? You know, sometimes like on a board game, you have to go backward. It's like that. Okay, you're subtracting. So this is what you should have down. Okay, 5 minus 3, sorry about that mistake right there, equals 2. Okay, and here's your practice. So let's do, as usual, let's do the first one together. Okay, so you have your number line here that you can use. And actually, might be helpful for you to pull out like one of your cubes from your math bag. Or here, you know what, I've even got like a little teddy bear, which is kind of cute too. I'll use this, okay? So I've got my little teddy bear, and he's going to help me out, okay? You could use a cube, you could use a coin, you could use anything, okay? All right, so it says use the number path above in one of your connecting cubes to solve the subtraction problems below. Mr. McAndrew will do the first one with you in the video. All right, here we go. So we have 9 take away 4. So if we already jumped to 9, we're right there. Okay, oops, let's move me out of the way down here. Mr. McAndrew's moving around. Okay, so my teddy bear's on number 9, okay? And then he's gonna hop back 4. It says take away 4. So let's see where we end up. We're at 9, we go 1, 2, 3, 4. We ended up at 5, right? Because we were at 9, and we went back 1, 2, 3, 4. So 9 take away 4 is what? Is 5. So let's write down 5. Okay? For this one, you would start at 7. You don't need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 unless you want to. But we know we're starting at 7. And then we're going to go back 1. 7 take away 1 should give us 6. I can prove it on my fingers, right? 7 take away 1 is 6. It's like magic. Boop, boop. 7, 6, 7, 6. Plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1, plus 1, minus 1. Okay, so let's see. 7 take away 1. I'm gonna hop back 1. Ready? Boop. And sure enough, I landed at 6. Okay, so you want to finish this page, and there's one more page on this side, and you can use the number line at the bottom to help you as well. All right, boys and girls, awesome job with subtraction. I think you are really getting good at it and understanding that what we're working with right now, put myself in the middle, is we have a certain amount and then we lose some or we take some away. The leaves fall, we eat the cookie, the balloons pop, we jump backward. These are all examples of subtraction. All right, excellent job. Have a great weekend, and I will see you very soon. And be nice to your siblings and parents. All right, bye-bye.